Hello everybody, so today I will talk about statistics. The topic today is sampling distribution. The sampling distribution is the distribution with degree of freedom is 17 to test and the test statistic is 3.04. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We need to carry about the test statistic and the number is 3.04 and df is about 17. So we have two number in here and we need to use this t table. So we need to find about the df is about 17 and the z we just find in here, but we can use about 3.009 and we connect 17 and this number together. And we find that's about 3.646 and the answer for the question in here is about 3.646. That's the end. Thank you for watching.